Guys, it's Risa. Welcome to Risa's Recipes. I just wanted to show you that I was just at Walmart and I bought a bunch of items for the upcoming week because you know that being prepared for meal planning, meal prepping is key to being successful. So I'm just going to show you some of the items that I bought and I'll give you some ideas of what I'm going to be making. So first off, big bag of red potatoes. I love making mashed potatoes and you can check it out on my YouTube how I make them. Super delicious. You can also roast potatoes, which I've done. You can throw them in stir fries or just microwave them. Okay, so red potatoes. Now, my new favorite drink is Perrier, and there's 0 calories and no added sugar. It's 0 strawberry. I've also got peach, but I'm just showing you what it looks like in the tins. Super delicious, bubbly, and you know, for the summer or all year, you want to add some ice and something else to it. Why not, right? So Perrier is my new favorite. A case is, I think, $6. I love the Hellmann's Light Mayonnaise. Now, you know, I put this in my tuna. I use them in my burgers. I use it in my chopped egg. I'm going to be making other definite recipes using my Hellmann's definitely for salad dressings, okay? So the light is fantastic. I love the flavor of the Hellmann's. Of course, peppers. Peppers for everything, just to have as a snack for your stir fries, for your salads, for your burgers. You can get tons of my recipes. All right, check them out. And I love stir frying them or roasting them or eating them raw. Having peppers is a great thing to have in your house at all times. It's a staple for me. Now, I love buying the coleslaw mix, or broccoli slide, they call it. And I use that for my stir fries. All right. And you can make a broccoli salad with it. It's delicious. Celery, I just like to have that for my chicken soup, but I also like to just snack on it. Has a lot of health benefits. Green beans, I like to steam them, roast them. I put them in my stir fries. Super, super great for you. My favorite tomatoes are the Zima. They are super delicious. Again, you can just snack on them, which is very healthy. Throw them in salads, throw them in stir fries. Okay. And of course, mushrooms. Mushrooms I put in everything, people, in my burgers, in my stir fries, in my omelets. Okay. My quiches. So you can check all those recipes out. The other thing that I love are these chicken strips, and they come in different flavors, okay? High protein breast strips. And, you know, they're great for snacking, but they're also great to add to casseroles in your quiches, your stir fries, just fast and easy. I like having them on my way home from work as a snack. I like them in sandwiches, on my Mama Lupas, my flatbreads. They are so versatile. They are amazing and a good bargain. They were actually $4 each today. And of course, I love my turkey bacon, which I add to lots of things, sandwiches, BLTs. You can add these to salads once you crisp it up, of course. Make sandwiches, put them on your tortillas, your flatbreads. Okay. And avocados, you can check out my avocado dip that I make. It is super, super delicious. Guacamole, almost forgot the name. Oh my God. And bananas, I love to just eat a banana. I put them in my smoothies. I bake with them. Lots of recipes with bananas. Banana bread, banana muffins. I put them in my pancakes. And you know, versatile bananas. You can just use them. I love them with peanut butter and banana. You name it, I love bananas. So this is what I bought today. All right, from Walmart. All these items for grocery shopping, for meal planning, meal prep ideas to help you guys, to help myself stay on track, stay focused. Think about your goals. Think about why you're doing this. And when you have everything in the house, of course, like I keep repeating, you won't veer. You'll have it. You'll have for snacks. Okay, eating clean, eating healthy is a big part of our journey. Everything in moderation, 80-20 people. So 80%, and you want to snack and have things as a treat, not a cheat. You're allowed that, okay? So just remember that it becomes a lifestyle, all right? It's a lifestyle. All right, so enough lecturing from Risa. I hope you please subscribe, ring the bell, and then you'll get all my recipes by email, of course. And, check out my videos. All my videos have the written information underneath. There's a little tiny arrow, and you click on it. You can take a screenshot, and you get all my recipes. Remember my website, www.risaweiner.com, my Facebook group with so many thousands and thousands of members, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa, Risa's Piece 8 on Instagram. You can check out me on Fitbit. All right. I'm everywhere. All right, guys. So I hope this was helpful. Please do a thumbs up, like, comment, okay? Share with other people. They don't have to be on WW. I'm doing intermittent as well. So share it with anybody. These recipes that I'm showing you and giving you can be obviously modified for anyone who is on a journey, okay? And you have to pick what journey is good for you. Take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.